Want to turn an idea into an image in seconds? First, open ImageMagik.app. Select Image Generator. Now, type or paste your text prompt. This can be anything you can imagine. Next, choose your aspect ratio. Then select your AI model, Zimage or Flux. Finally, click Generate. Within moments, ImageMagik.app transforms your words into a high-quality AI-generated image. But that is only the beginning. Now click Randomize, change the aspect ratio, and generate again. Same idea, a completely different result. That is the power of ImageMagik.app. Whether you create content, run a business, build a brand, design marketing campaigns, make thumbnails, create artwork, or explore new ideas, it helps bring concepts to life in seconds. Every generation creates new possibilities. Now look at the image on screen. The detail, the lighting, the atmosphere, the composition. Everything started as a simple text prompt. One idea became this. That is what makes it so powerful. Ready to create your own images? Start free today at ImageMagik.app. Type your idea, generate your image, see what is possible.